After months of leaks, Xiaomi has announced the Mi Mix 3 flagship phone through an unveil event in Beijing, China. It goes without saying that the USP of the smartphone is its manual slider design that allows the phone to sport a notchless and bezel-less display. After the company, Black Shark Helo gaming phone, the Mi Mix 3 is the second phone to feature 10 GB of RAM. The smartphone is also blessed with quad cameras. The Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 sports a ceramic rear that is curved on all four sides. It comes in 3 enticing color options, such as black, emerald green, and sapphire blue. The Mi Mix 3 is equipped with a 6.39-inch AMOLED display that supports an aspect ratio of 19.5 by 9. It produces Full HD Plus resolution. The other display features of the Mi Mix 3 include 60,000 by 1 contrast ratio, 600 nits brightness, and 103.8% NTSC color gamut. According to the company, the Mi Mix 3 offers a screen-to-body ratio of 93.4%. There are 2 magnetic components underneath the display that brings forth slider mechanism on the Mi Mix 3. The slider can be customized to launch different functions, such as accessing the dual selfie camera, answer phone calls, launch WeChat, and/or any other app. The vertical dual camera setup on the backside of the Mi Mix 3 features a 12-megapixel main sensor with f1.8 aperture and pixel size of 1.4 micron. It is coupled with 12-megapixel secondary sensor with f2.4 aperture and a pixel size of 1 micron. The dual rear shooters are equipped with features like optical zoom, for-axis OIS, portrait mode, and AI. The dual cameras also carry support for handheld super night scene photography. As Xiaomi had confirmed before the launch, the dual rear cameras can capture super slow motion videos at 960 fps. For shooting selfies, the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 is equipped with LED-enabled 24-megapixel plus 2-megapixel dual camera setup. The primary sensor has a pixel size of 1.8 micron and supports combining of 4 pixels into 1 large pixel for capturing brighter shots in low light conditions. The dual selfie snappers are equipped with AI capabilities for capturing beautified selfie shots. The Snapdragon 845 chipset is at the helm of the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3. It comes with up to 10 GB of RAM and multiple storage options of up to 256 GB. The smartphone is backed by a 4000 mAh battery that carries support for quick charge 4+ and 10-watt wireless charging. The smartphone is preloaded with MIUI 10 based Android 9 Pie. The handset is equipped with a dedicated hardware button for accessing the AI voice assistant, which can now understand 7 dialects. The other features available on the Mi Mix 3 include rear-mounted fingerprint scanner, dual SIM support, dual-band GPS, Bluetooth 5.0. And for the price, the 10 GB RAM plus 256 GB storage will cost you 4,999 yuan, $719. So guys, what do you think about this phone? Share your opinion down below, and thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.